You might have noticed we've been introducing more and more rigs to this channel, and this week we're introducing Mike in his 1990 Toyota pickup. Now this thing's mostly stock, just has a bush bumper, bigger tires, but it's still the factory IFS, and it's got a 22 and a flat deck.
What's going on, guys? Today we are back and we're out wheeling. Today we've got a new truck with us. We got Mike, who was out in a Tundra in a previous episode, and now he's got this new 1990 single cab Toyota pickup with a 22 RE. Also, we got Boy in the 85. Now that thing looks a lot different than the last time you've seen it. It's got a new flat deck, it's got a new paint job, it's got new rust-free fenders, and it's ready to rock. Also, we got the usual victims of Cory and myself, and yeah, let's go see what we can get into. So me and Cory are doing pretty decent here, but Boy seems to be struggling a little bit. This is the second time trying to get around this corner and he's back in the ditch. So Michael's hooked up and we'll get him out of here, and I'll try to figure out the corner after. Well, we came across our first obstacle on the road here, and realistically we could get around it, but it's right beside a bank and it's really soft. So we're just gonna play it safe and cut up the tree and clear the road for everyone else too. So the snow is definitely getting deeper and a little softer and not as ideal for these guys. As you see, Michael is stuck. Boy and him switched spots because he was tired of Michael destroying the road. But yeah, time for some pulling action. Well, now Boy's stuck.
Eventually we came across our first real obstacle. The spring runoff turned the road into a bit of a creek, making a pretty good gap in the road for us to drive our trucks through.
So Cory's been dying to use his new winch setup all day. He's got it on a cradle so he can put it front or rear, and here's his opportunity. Mike's stuck. It's a bit of a bank here, and yeah, should be good.
This is a terrible spot to be sitting while winching. Please don't do this at home.
My boy's truck developed a new issue. Pull the fuse!
To resolve this hilarious issue, we just straight up unplugged the horn.
By the time we finished the day, it was way too dark to actually film an outro, so here we are now. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you look forward to more Toyota content. So, Mike's white Toyota pickup is going to get the solid axle swap. And yeah, we'll do a bunch of videos on that as well. As you can see, my brother's black 85 Toyota pickup had a lot of changes done, and there's going to be a full build episode on that next week. But it looks even more different now than it did in this video. And yeah, I'm curious what you guys think we might have done to the truck since then. So yeah, leave your guesses in the comments below. Anyways guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.